بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب.
May both the hands of Abu Lahab be destroyed, and he has been destroyed.
ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب.
His wealth did not benefit him in the least, nor did whatever he earned.
سيصلى نارا ذات لهب.
He will soon enter the fire with layers of flames.
وامرأته حمالة الحطب.
And his wife too, carrying the bundle of wood on her head.
في جيدها حبل من مسد.
A rope made from date palm fiber will be around her neck.
صدق الله العظيم.